Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are fixing the issue where your desktop icons are missing in your windows. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the solution and fix it, and let's get started. First of all, you can right-click on your desktop screen and the menu appears on your screen. You can hover over to this view option right here and make sure this option right here called show desktop icons is checked. If it isn't checked, you can click on it and check it, and that way your icons will be appearing on your screen again. The next thing you can do is you can turn on common system icons. So if I click on your desktop screen and a menu appears on your screen, now from here you can select the option for personalize and open it up. Once you click on it, you can go over and look out for the themes option and open it up. And from there, you can just go and look out for the desktop icon settings and head over it. Once you open up desktop's icon settings, in here, ensure that this PC, these, and your recycle bin network are checked. These options right here, if it is unchecked, you can go ahead and check it up. After that, click on apply and click on OK, and that icons should appear on your home screen again, and that should do it. And you can also restart your Windows Explorer. You can hit Control Shift plus ESC, and that should open up your task manager, or you can search for task manager here and hit enter and open it up. And once you open it up here, just go ahead and find Windows Explorer here, this one right here, this file, and right click on it and look out for the restart option, and that should refresh the desktop and often bring the icons back on your screen. Just go ahead and do so. And apart from that, you can just go ahead and disable the tablet mode as well if it is turned on. You can go to your settings for that, and once you open up your settings, go to system, and from system, go to tablet mode. Just find that option right here, or you can directly search for it. And once you find tablet mode, you can hit enter and just go ahead and go to over. If you can't find it from here, go to settings and system. From system, go to display. And from display, just go ahead and look out for tablet here or multiple displays. If that option is turned on, and disable it. And that's it. Your missing desktop icon should be back now. So if one method does not work, you can try the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fixes.